Have you ever been stuck somewhere hungry, wishing you just had a hot meal, but there's no microwave, no outlet, nothing? That's the problem that this solves. So let's go over the LUNCHGO G1 heated lunchbox. I'm gonna cover the key features, show you how the scheduling system works, and just how this works in general, all the different features that you get, and then talk about who this is for, all to help you make an informed buying decision for your heated lunchbox. So the LUNCHGO G1 is a battery-powered heated lunchbox. It's completely cordless, which is the key thing here. No cords, no outlets needed. So it's got a 5-cup capacity, a stainless steel container, has a touch screen interface on the front right here for scheduling, and it comes with a carrying bag that keeps everything organized. So let's go over all the different things that you get with your purchase and then go over the different features. Okay, so the lunchbox here, there are 2 compartments, the top one and the main compartments that has the storage for the actual lunchbox. It's a really nice bag, 2 mesh pouches on each side. Has handles, even has a front pouch as well. It also has option for a strap. So let's have a look inside of these 2 compartments. Okay, the top compartment, what you get here, it's really complete, which is really nice. So first thing that you get your utensils, metal utensils, a spoon and a fork. So it's a really nice touch for this lunchbox. And we also have our carrying strap that we can attach to the sides of the bag if we would like. Okay, and then we have our charging cable, a cool branded charging cable, USB-C. And then we have a 45-watt fast charger as well. I mean, so most electronics or just products, they just never give you, an outlet to charger, especially a fast one. So that's really cool that they added this in the purchase. Okay, and then finally, a reusable ice pack, really big one here to keep everything fresh. So here's what you get in the top of the bag, the ice pack, charging cable, fast charger, strap, and your utensils. Okay, and then the main compartment, go ahead and open that up. At the top here, we have another reusable ice pack, a little bit smaller than the one that's in the top pouch. Fits right in here nicely. This is also all insulated. I'll look at the main compartment. We'll go ahead and fit in the lunchbox so you can see how it fits in. Nice fit. I'm gonna close it up. And there you go. Lunchbox is fully loaded. It's a really nice bag. You get a lot in the top. It's nice that there's 2 ice packs. You have the straps that you can attach, handles here, mesh side pouches, and front pockets for storage. Okay, so let's go over some of the features now. So the big thing here is the 75-watt-hour battery. That translates to about 2 meals per charge. So it depends on how long you're heating. So what that means is you can heat up your lunch on a job site, in your car, at the park, really anywhere, no hunting for an outlet. If you've got this charged, you're guaranteed a hot meal wherever you are, which is really nice for anyone who works from somewhere without a microwave. Okay, and then probably my favorite feature here is the touchscreen lets you set the exact time you want to eat. So if you know your lunch break is at 1 p.m., you set it for 1 p.m. and the system counts how long it needs to heat your food and starts automatically. So you're not just waiting around for your food to heat, up when you're, ready to eat. It's already hot when you get to it. So you just set it in the morning, forget about it, and when your lunchtime comes, your food is piping hot. There's also an auto timer feature where you can set it to the same time every day if your schedule is consistent. And we'll go over a demo of just me going through all the features in the touchscreen here in a second. That way you can get an idea for exactly, how to set this up. Okay, and then the container here. So it's nice that it hooks onto the actual heating plate. So there's our container. So the container, it holds up to 5 cups, which is about, 1.2 liters. And this is a full meal for 1 person here. Your rice, your pasta, your stews, anything like that. Even soup works really well in here. And it heats up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. I'm talking, visible steam when you open the lid. The food comes out genuinely hot and not just like lukewarm like some heated containers do. One thing to keep in mind, dense food, like a full container of rice, needs about 120 minutes of heating time. Lighter meals can do 90 minutes or less. And it does take a little bit of experimenting to dial in your perfect timing for the specific food. So for example, if you have like a burger or a sandwich or something like that, you'll wanna wrap that in aluminum foil and then cook it. but you will not want to put as many frozen things in there as it won't heat up in time. And to prevent drying out, you'll want to lower the temperature to around 220 degrees. So this food container here is 316 stainless steel, which is a higher grade than standard stainless. It's more resistant to corrosion and safer for food contact. It's also BPA free and dishwasher safe. So the cleanup is really easy with this. You can see 316 stainless steel. Of course, don't put this in the microwave. Okay, I'm putting on the lid, just like any other lid. And then we have the heating plate right here. Build quality of this is really nice, feels really sturdy. The touch screen here, it's reinforced glass. It just feels like, you know, you can drop it and it's just not gonna break at all. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. So how do we use this? Okay, so to turn it on, press the power button. So this is already in sleep mode. So I'll go ahead and go from the completely off mode. So just go ahead and hold down for a couple seconds. And I'll turn on, say ready to go. It's a little bit closer. And then we'll just go exit out of this menu for now. So we can get to the main menu. There we can see we have the set meal time, auto heat, heat now, and the settings. So let's go one by one here. Set meal time, just go ahead and press. There we can set our meal time exactly where we want to. When we first turn on the device, it'll ask us to set the current time. That way it'll know when to set the schedule. That way the schedule will be correct. So in general, 120 minutes is how long we want to have the food heating up. This is a slow heating of your food. So it's not like a microwave where you just put it in there for a couple of minutes. So again, ideally you want 120 minutes for heating up your food. So just keep that in mind. Press the button once more, you can swipe up. So then we can confirm. So right now it is 4:49. So if we clicked confirm on the 5 p.m., it would say 5 p.m. is too close, heat now. So you can see then it gives us a warning, 5 p.m. is too close. Do you want to heat now? Because the scheduled heating duration you said is 120 minutes. So again, that's the best results, 120 minutes. But we can heat it in less time if we'd like to. So we'll just select no. But if we want to, we can just have it heat for that specific time that we have scheduled for. Okay, so the auto heat time, this is not something that you could touch. This is just going to display the time that it starts heating. So if you have set your lunchtime at 12 p.m., it'll show 10 a.m. here. That way you know when it's starting to heat up, and then you can adjust the amount of time that you want the food heated as well, and that will adjust based on that time. And we'll cover that in the settings in a second here. Of course, do the heat now. There's where we can adjust the time from 60 minutes all the way to 165 minutes. We can just confirm there and start the heating. So let's see, and it gives us the amount of time it's been heating for. And we can see the heat right here. It is turned on and this will start getting hot, the hot plate. One really cool thing is you can charge this while you are heating. So that's really nice. And then we have, look on the side right here, that's where the USB-C is for charging. And we have a little sticker here saying that if the battery is empty and you wish to heat while charging, please charge for at least 30 minutes first to ensure normal heating. All right, so it's already getting a little warm. It's not really hot to the touch quite yet, but it's definitely starting to heat up quite a bit. Okay, let's go back to the touchscreen here and swipe up. Let's go back and we can just cancel the heating right now. Then we can go to the settings. So the settings, this is where we set the time, the current time that is. Okay, and then we have the temperature. That's what we want to set it at. We can go all the way to 250, keep it at 240. Then we have heating duration. That's how long you want the heat duration for the scheduled mode. Okay, then we have the volume. So this is the volume. Go and play it. So the food's done, it's at the volume. Okay, and then we have the, of course, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and then the 24-hour or 12-hour time format, and then language, and then we can reset the device. So really simple controls. Okay, and then we can see in the top right-hand corner, that's our battery life, and we can just press this button here to put it into sleep mode. So you'll definitely want to do this when you're putting this into your lunch bag, just like that, and it's in sleep mode. So also you can heat 2 meals on one charge. It's recommended that you do use one charge for one meal, but if you do have 2 meals, you want to fill this just not quite as, full, and heat for around 80 to 90 minutes for each meal. And then also when you're on a full charge and you're doing the recommended 120 minutes of heating, this will also stay warm for 30 minutes after the heating has occurred. So if you have set the schedule for 12 p.m. and it's been heating since 10 a.m., so 2 hours, 120 minutes, then it'll also stay warm for 30 minutes after. So it's always recommended to have this on a full charge when you're doing your heating. Again, it's a slow heater. So, if you put this in here for 20 minutes, it's still not gonna be warm enough, even if you do crank it up to the highest temperature. Okay, so what I like about this, so the cordless design is the big one here. You have true freedom to eat hot food anywhere. The scheduling feature actually works. You set it and forget it. It's a complete kit. You have the utensils, the ice packs, the charger, the bag, really everything you need. And this is a solid build quality also. It feels premium. It has those separate hot and cold compartments, so that top compartment you can add in your cold food as well. One thing that could be improved, maybe like giving you some sort of sheet that just goes over, common foods and the heating temperature. There's just a little bit of a learning curve at figuring out the right heating time for different foods. So of course, dense stuff takes longer than you expect. And if you're, heating rice at high temperatures, you'll want to add in, like a splash of water to keep it from drying out and lower the temperature just a little bit. It's not a big deal. Once you get into the routine, just keep that in mind. You'll need to do a little bit of trial and error to get the perfect temperature for your food. So who should get this? So if you work on a job site or somewhere without a microwave, this is exactly what you need. Construction workers, truck drivers, anyone posted to locations without power, you can finally have a hot meal instead of cold sandwiches. Also, if you're an office worker who's tired of waiting for the microwave or missing lunch because you're just too busy, you can schedule this and your food is ready exactly when you are. Also, if you travel a lot or spend time outdoors, camping, hiking, long road trips, having a hot meal ready without needing to find a plug is really nice. Also, if you just are against using microwaves, this is a great option as well. Who this is not for. So if you just need a basic lunch container and you always have access to a microwave and you don't have a problem using a microwave, this is probably more than you need. So in my opinion, the LUNCHGO G1 is definitely worth checking out if you've been stuck eating cold lunches because you don't have access to a microwave. You get everything you need with your lunchbox. It does a great job of heating your food. It's really easy to use, and it's a great solution for having hot food.